all leaders in our communities. Our families, our teams, and our customers all look to us for leadership. These are clearly unprecedented times in modern history, and we are working through this one day at a time, just as you are. At Whittaker & Company, we are keenly aware of the potential impact of the coronavirus. We are taking steps to provide the continuity of our client services and the safety of our employees and our clients as we navigate through the outbreak. There are two things I want to cover with you today. First, we'll talk about tax deadlines and the forthcoming government bill. Second, we're going to talk about what we are doing as a team here at Whittaker & Company. This is one of the busiest times of the year for accounting firms, and tax filings and financial statement regulatory deadlines are quickly approaching here. As of this morning, Treasury and the IRS have extended the April 15th filing deadline by 90 days. The federal government will give taxpayers 90 days to pay income taxes due on up to $1 million in tax owed. For corporate taxpayers, this threshold is $10 million in tax owed. During this 3-month deferral period, taxpayers will not be subject to interest and penalties on any of the taxes. You should still get your 2019 income tax return filed as soon as possible, especially if you have a refund due and you need the cash. There is a link in the body of this message below to the IRS's COVID-19 page. Please use it for your reference. For California taxpayers impacted by COVID-19, the Franchise Tax Board has extended the filing deadline by 60 days, and it is now June 15th. So if there are any deadlines between now and June 15th, they are moved to June 15th. They will also be waiving any penalties and interest on payments that would otherwise be due between now and June 15th. Again, there is a link below to the Franchise Tax Board's COVID-19 page for your reference. Congress is also in the process of putting together a bill that will be a funding package and tax relief for individuals and businesses affected by COVID-19. One of our goals is to be a firm that is able to help you navigate this new funding package and gain access to funds that are available to you through this legislation in a quick and effective manner. As of the time this video is being taped, the bill is currently in Congress and has not yet been passed. Once this bill is passed, we will summarize the specifics of the bill and notify you of the steps you can take to gain access to the benefits you're entitled to. Our top priorities also include the health and safety of our employees and our clients. As you know, we have always been on the forefront of technology in our firm, with our team, and with our clients. We have been operating with our software in the cloud for 11 years now. As of the morning of March 17th, our team will be working virtually. From a client perspective, you shouldn't notice any difference in contacting us. Our phone systems still work as it has, and we are still answering email just as we do every day. From an appointment standpoint, if you already have an appointment in person scheduled with us, we will do our best to accommodate that. Otherwise, we'll begin utilizing GoToMeeting and conference calls for the next 2 to 4 weeks as this unfolds. Starting Wednesday and every Wednesday until further notice, you are invited to participate in a Team Whittaker Leadership Community call held via GoToMeeting. The call will be Wednesday mornings from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Let's support each other for discussions on the latest developments, discussing business and team issues, and brainstorming on best practices, as well as just being there for each other. These weekly calls will help us have real-time discussions and leverage the strengths and spirit of a strong group of business and community leaders. The link to the meetings can be found in the body of this message below. You will hear from us continually as we become aware of changes that may impact you. Until then, let's stick together, support each other as leaders in the community, and we will emerge stronger than we were before. Thank you.